Mm. Welcome to Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. First day Yoga Dantam, part 3, substitute exercise for improvement of our more Siddhar's divine power. We are trying our aura power improvement exercise. That is very simple. In the God and God's power is through to hold the world, where in as it is in a small dust and the big hills like that. In our body, throughout our whole body, the divine power or God's power is we are feeling, but in our face we are facing others or ourselves, we are feeling some power that is called aura power. In Hindu temples, the all idols are placed with the Thruvachi or Prabhai as a metal ring was placed in the backside of the idols in Hindu temples. In drawings of the god and goddess, some colors are drawn by artists. It is called as aura power of the god and goddess. So every human and every lives in the whole world is having some, even animals also having some aura powers. Now we are trying to increase our aura power. First we have to know what is that aura power. See, the god and goddess powers in our face, that is very important. Here is Shiva. Here is pineal gland. Inside of the brain is pituitary gland. Here is pineal gland. This is a manager of our whole body, pineal gland. It is called Shiva. The Shiva having a switch point is here. This is called as Shakti. Okay, here is Shiva and here is Shakti. The right eye, this is right eye. The right eye is called as Sri Mahalakshmi and the left chin is called as Sri Mahavishnu. Here the left eye is Sri Saraswati and the right chin is Sri Brahma. Here is Muruga or Kartik and here is Ganapati or Vinayak. Okay. Again Sri Shiva, Shakti, Sri Mahalakshmi, right eye, left chin Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Saraswati in the left eye, right chin Sri Brahma, Murugan or Kartik, Ganapati or Vinayak, Shiva, Shakti, right eye Sri Mahalakshmi, left chin Sri Mahavishnu, left eye Sri Saraswati, right chin Sri Brahma, Murugan or Kartik here and Ganapati or Vinayak here. Okay. Now you are connecting all the god and goddess. See, keep your finger like that and draw a line to here and to here and to here. This is a triangle. Okay. Now you can draw another line here and keep here and to here. So you can feel the star in of the drawing in your face. The all and goddess are now come to your face. You are feeling, you are watching this exercise. Now you can able to feel your face, the divine power in your face. Now you are improve the divine power with a small exercise. See, Om is a Pranava mantra. You know that the Pranava mantra was scanned by the ancient Siddhas, Tamil Siddhas, by 51 aksharas. That means 51 scan device, 51 slices. You know, the Om Pranava mantra was not able to written in any language, in Sanskrit or Tamil or English or only because it's a sound. It is not a literal word. You are not able to write a sound in any language. So, but the ancient Siddhas in Tamil Nadu, they were research about the Om Pranava. They scanned the sound as 51 slices of the Pranava mantra. So it is called 51 aksharams. From the 51 aksharams in Tamil Nadu, in Siddha's secrets, we are applying in a small exercise by Siddharth Grace. See, the two thumb fingers keep in your this place. Say simple ah, and then keep all fingers in your both chins. Keep like that and turn. See the both hands and shoulders are like that, not like that, not like that. Keep your both shoulders up like that, same as equal. Turn your chins like that with the all fingers. Say ooh. Okay, keep the thumb finger in here. See, close your eyes and by these four fingers 3 times like that. E and reverse again. E and now the thumb finger is here and the 4 fingers are come to this place. Say O and the 4 thumb fingers are here and the middle finger in the middle of the forehead. Middle of the forehead here, middle finger. Say yay and keep this both hands in your arm and keep these both hands like that. See, like that, not keep straight as possible like that. And then keep your both hands like that. Now again we are doing ah, ooh, e, o, a. Keep the hands down and keep the hands up. M and again. Now again we are doing ah, ooh, o, a, m. See, say here ah and here ooh, ah, ooh, e, o, a, im. Both of the sides here ha, ooh, e, o, a, m. The benefits of the exercise, your aura power suddenly improved. This is the lever point. So we are pressing here. When we are pressing your lever, the Varma Siddhas, Tamil Siddhas Varma point is here. You are pressing here. Your diabetics and BP problem will be solved. Your whole body will be supplied by the internal power. The place here or in the chins is for the Varma point of lungs. We are not able to massage our lungs, but we are keeping fingers in this place. Just our lungs are become as massaged. So it is the very alternative exercise for breathing exercise. We are doing surrounding our eyes. It is very total body circulation will be become as very fine. So when you are experience this exercise, if we are doing this exercise, your total hara power will be improved, your life will be changed. Even a 3-year-old child also able to do this exercise. No language, no education, no richness, no religion, no God faith or nothing is not necessary to do this exercise. It is very must to support of the first day yoga time exercise. Please call me any doubts. You can do whatever possible time like for this exercise, not a 3 minutes lifetime, whatever possible time, 10 minutes, 1 hour, you will become very powerful as siddhas. Thank you. Welcome. Any doubts, call me. Yogadanda Pon Pathasarthi, Vadavani, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, 93826898994. Thank you.